how to put an image into shape in Figma. So simply open your Figma project and we're gonna add an image here. So in the left up corner area, you can click on Figma logo, click on File, place an image and select the image from your computer. Now place it, and we want to create a shape where we're gonna fit that image. So down here, click on your shapes and, for example, a star, and create a big star or any other shape which you want to fit it to. Place it on your image and right click, and you can send it to back. Now select both objects, right click and use as mask. Now we want to make that image bigger. You can double click it. I want to change the fill to crop, so you're gonna see all the image. And now I want to just make that image fitting that shape. So for example, like this, and you can move it like you want. So that's basically it. It's pretty simple. You can preview that, move that and fit it. So it's that simple. If you have any questions, leave a comment and make sure to subscribe. See you next time.